shirts were for the men, and they didn't have a collar, like the collar that we normally have attached to the shirt. They have it separate. So you can see here, here's the collars all by themselves. So they would buy this, and buy this, and put them together, and then make what we now know as a shirt. Now the shirts come with the collar attached.
That's kind of
Yeah, they didn't know how to make, because these were stiff. They were made with starch, just to make them so that they stood up. They weren't soft. Yeah. That's what they used to wear.
They are small. Yeah, you are a baby.
So look at the children's shirts as well. See,
How
they
old
didn't
are
have
you?
a collar either, but the children didn't have to wear a collar. Here you can see these man's. So here's the shirt, and also the collar is separate, and it used to be attached like with buttons.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Keep them warm.
Is that real animal fur?
That will be real animal fur, yeah. Sometimes a beaver or a badger, sometimes fox. Yeah, they would, any animal that has a nice warm fur, they would take it and take the skin and use it. So this is the same. You can feel it. This is animal fur as well. You can feel it soft and really warm. And now we have other things. We don't have to kill animals to keep us warm. We can use other materials that we can make. This is a white ermine. This is from an animal, but in winter it turns white. Can you see the shoes? So these have soles. They would put other things on to stop them wearing down, because the soles are made of wood. So it's metal on the bottom. When you walked, you would hear the clack, 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 clack. It's just to stop the wood from wearing down. And then these are all things to make you beautiful. Jewellery and lace. Sometimes we put lace around your shirt. This is to improve your complexion. So these are machines that would like roll your face, like give you a massage on your face to make your cheeks nice and red and improve your complexion. It says face massage apparatus.
Hello.
Hello.
If you have any questions about anything, do feel free to ask.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Be a mixture, but quite a lot of the fabrics would be made here in the United Kingdom. Yeah, yes. And Manchester, which you'll see at the top there, even today, yeah, Manchester is very well known for its cotton weaving industries, and the Manchester department still exists in America and in Australia, although there would be very little chance today of it being made here. It is still referred to as the Manchester department. Yeah, yeah.
This is like a washing machine. Instead of like going round and round like this, they would go, you put the water and to make that. I'm going to use this exactly. Very heavy, yeah. To like push the water down through the fabric. And then this is like a big one of those drying machines.